All right, hey, Queen here, and just doing a quick update, really just to document this information. So I had predicted, which wasn't such a crystal ball type prediction. All the signs were leading to Bitcoin going back over the all-time high. And today is December 17th, 2020. And Bitcoin is sitting at right now, 20,539. Let's do a refresh. Uh-oh. I'm not even logged into the net yet. So let me log in. Actually, we don't need to do that. Let me go back. Maybe I do need to do that. Sorry about that. I thought I was logged in. I agree to all of the terms and conditions. All right, here we go. So we're gonna go back. All right, so at livecoinwatch.com, as you see here, BTC is sitting at 20,539. And we're still early. Obviously, this is still retail money. There is only a handful of institutions that have jumped on board, which is MicroStrategy is one, Square allocated some. There was a UK company that allocated quite a bit, and then there was also a trust company, I think it's called Northern Trust, that is designating themselves to become a custodian for other institutional investors, which once that's been established, then you'll see, the pricing get extremely upwards in value. So, a lot of people ask me, is it too late for Bitcoin? My answer to them is obviously no. In fact, it's funny, I was just having a text conversation with an associate, and she was saying, I wish I would have gotten in Bitcoin, back when it was low. And I said, well, it's still not too late. And at that time, this was a couple of weeks ago, Bitcoin was at 17,000. And she was like, I'm not buying a Bitcoin for 17,000. And the thing about it is, I think there's a lot of misinformation out there. People believe that they have to purchase, even if she still would have bought it at 17,000, now it's 20,000, that would have been a 3,000 gain just in a couple of weeks. Which is, what's that, what's that, about 35, 40% ROI? I'm not sure. But anyways, a couple things. You don't have to purchase a whole Bitcoin. You can purchase a fraction of a Bitcoin. You can purchase $10 worth of Bitcoin. You can purchase whatever your budget will allow. You don't have to purchase an entire Bitcoin, so you can purchase a fraction of it. That's the first thing. And then the second thing is, and let me see if I have this chart. Let's see. Give me a second here. Let me pause the video and come back. All right, so this is a chart that actually has tracked various asset classes since 2011 to our current date. So if you look at every other asset class, you see gold in here, you see REITs, you see small cap, large caps, you see bonds, you see high yields, I mentioned gold, right, and then other commodities. If you look at Bitcoin from 2011 to now, and over here in the far right-hand corner, or far right-hand portion of the chart here, I don't even know what is this? That's like 6 million. That's a 6.2 M percentage cumulative, right? Annualized from 2011 to 2020, you're looking at Bitcoin over 200% annualized. I don't know what other investment out there that has yielded that in the past decade. And as you can see by this chart, there aren't any, right? The second closest would be the US NASDAQ, which is at 20% annualized ROI, right? So do your due diligence, do your homework, study it up, figure out what's good for you. There are some resources in the description. Have a great day.